Hey you guys. Hold on. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy from Mandy's World. Yeah, I am excited. I just came back from a date. Not just any date. It's date number 2. With this guy I met the day after my birthday, the day after the explosion, the day after the blow up. Y'all, this dude is like, first of all, thumbnail. Before I get started. First of all, you guys, I couldn't even eat. I ended up bringing it home. I could not even eat because I'm just over the moon with this man. Like, I met this guy the day after the whole shit show with my ex. And just to give you a little background, this man didn't even know me from a man in a moon, right? And I explained to him all that went down, my whole situation. And let's just say, without putting my whole business out there, he paid my car note that day. Zelled it to me, paid my car note. Like, so I was already like damn near in love. Like, first of all, treated me like the princess. I ain't gonna say the queen that I am. Had me texting him because I wanted to see him again. Because I'm not even the type of person to text a man. But after like how he treated me the very first time, I'm like, oh God, I can't let this one get away. Then he messages me this morning like, where you at? I'm like, at home. He's like, I'm coming get you. Came, got me. Baby, we chilled. It's like we have a connection. Ordered food. Watched TV. Treated me with so much respect. We left to go do something. And he just reached over and handed me some money. Y'all. Rainbows, butterflies, and stars in the sky. That's all I can say. That's all I can say to describe this person. I'm single and I'm dating, but to kick it off on the rip like this, I have to say, thank you, God. Thank you. And I don't want to say it's because of my manifesting, but I'm going to say it's because of my manifesting because I had already manifested a gentleman. Somebody that knows how to treat me. Hold on, I gotta warm my food. It's not hot enough. Now that my food is hot, when I got in the Uber and he kissed me on the cheek, I was just like, sir, slow down already before I fall in love with you. But you guys, honestly, I will not be having him on my channel. Y'all will not get to see him because I don't want to say that I feel like that was a big part of the reason why things didn't work out with me and my ex. Well, my ex was just crazy. But what I'm afraid of, you guys, is he's a Sagittarius too. That's what I'm afraid of. Same as my ex. Sagittarius are good at hiding shit. So, don't worry, my guard is up. I ain't crazy. But I'm gonna give him a chance. I am gonna try to get to know him. I'm not gonna judge him off a past relationship because that's what women do. And I'm not her, I'm not gonna do that. But so far, so motherfucking good. He's a career man. He ain't no brokey. And that might be the difference too. My ex was rather broke. And I'm sure it was a lot of things he wanted to do for me he just couldn't afford to do. We'll say that. But this man, he's something else, y'all. We get along. Wasn't no arguing. We was laughing and giggling. He brought my favorite food. Because I love me some Olive Garden. Olive Garden to me is like Applebee's is to y'all. It's the grown woman thought meal. Yaddy 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 yaddy. You guys, I ain't gonna lie. If everything keeps going the way it's going though, I think I got me a good new little regular friend. Now I'm still dating. I'm definitely not putting all my eggs in one basket. But I will say that I like him. So far, so good. Thirsty. I just hope he keeps up the good work. When I was in that Uber, coming home, and then he's like, I don't want you to drive. You don't have to drive. What? You already know I don't like to drive. How you know I don't like to drive? He didn't cry about it being $30. Nothing. It's just like everything is just with the motion, with the flow, and I like that. I hate to say that. I know that once my ex grew up, 10, 20 years from now, he probably would be the same way, but I ain't got time. I ain't got 10 to 20 years. I need it now. It's my money and I need it now. Now, what y'all, off topic, I wanted to talk to y'all about these people going in this Capitol. I really did want to talk to y'all. I really did want to talk to y'all about that because that upset me. That upset me a lot. Y'all was supposed to be so patriotic. And y'all love y'all country, which ain't even y'all country. But y'all took y'all disrespectful ass in there and acted like y'all didn't have no home training. That pissed me off. What pissed me off even more is all that did was show people in foreign countries that have issues with the United States of America that all you gotta do is run up, you will not get done up. Okay? That showed how weak we really are after 9/11. That was the dumbest shit y'all could ever do. Ain't no race war. It's gonna be a war, but it ain't gonna be no race war. Y'all just showed y'all hand, idiots. Y'all show how weak we really are. one of them countries got to do is come up here and storm the Capitol. And can't nobody stop them, clearly. But let that happen one of us, or all of us, they would have shot us down like a firing squad. I promise you. No doubt about it. So yeah, I'm disappointed. And I'm upset. This food is so good. Y'all lame. And y'all sore losers. Oh, we won. Nanny, nanny, boo, boo. Crybabies. But yeah, all that to say, you guys, I'm gonna finish eating this and I'm about to text my boo. He about to go play cards, poker, or whatever. But I'm about to eat this and text my boo and lay down because it's 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 2:31 to be exact, and I'm tired. It's been a long day and I had a blast. I'm gonna take my coat off and take a shower. You know, I went home reading, but I'm starving now. Or is it that, like, you know how it is when you first meet a guy, you don't really want to eat like a dog in front of him. Like, you want to maintain your lady status. So maybe that was what it was. I didn't want to be chomping down. And this one thing I will say though, they could have used a little salt and pepper. Yeah, I know I'm from New Orleans. I like seasoning. But yeah, you guys, if you've enjoyed this video, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel, Mandy Gang. Love you guys.